Welcome to our tutorial on Prodigy board-to-board interposer assembly. In this tutorial, we will be probing a UFS 4.0 device of a mobile phone. Let's begin. In mobile phone PCB assembly, components are densely packed on both sides of the board, situated close to each other. The UFS 4.0 device is located in this area, surrounded by numerous components with a height of 2 to 3 millimeters. Additionally, there is limited or no access to the UFS test points. The Prodigy board-to-board interposer consists of the bottom PCB, top PCB, and a connector. The bottom PCB is of the same size as the UFS device, ensuring proper positioning during the removal and replacement process. The test pads on the PCB serve as connection points for the UFS signals as well as other signals necessary for UFS communications. Top PCB consists of a gripper socket for the UFS device, power connector, and the test points, host lane 0, host lane 1, device lane 0, and device lane 1. Using a BGA rework station, carefully remove the UFS chip from the DUT. These are the BGA pads on DUT. Pin number 1 is located near the index pin. Measure the resistance across the test points and ground points C3 to N3 on the UFS device and note down the results as shown in the table. Carefully solder the bottom B2B PCB to the DUT. After soldering the bottom B2B PCB to the device, measure the test points again and compare the results with the earlier measurements. Post-assembly measured resistance values should be within plus or minus 10% of the pre-assembly measured values. Next, solder the J1 connector and MH1 steel spacer with proper orientation, as shown in the image. Mount the B2B top PCB on the B2B bottom PCB connector, ensuring a proper mating between the two. Place a screw between the top and bottom B2B boards. Place the UFS device on the gripper socket with the proper orientation, as shown. The connector's height of 5.2 millimeters ensures that we can easily place the interposer board without any obstruction from adjacent components near the DUT. This connector supplies power to the circuit on the interposer board and provides equalization parameters for the CTLE. Before connecting to the protocol analyzer, apply hot melt glue between the B2B top PCB and the DUT. This will provide stability and secure the mechanical connection between the two, preventing any physical damage to the setup. You have successfully assembled the board-to-board interposer for the DUT. Your setup is now ready to be connected to the Prodigy UFS protocol analyzer for further testing. Top PCB consists of a gripper socket for the UFS device, power connector, and the test points, host lane 0, host lane 1, device lane 0, and device lane 1. Now let's connect the DUT to the analyzer. Connect the cables to host lane 0, host lane 1, device lane 0, and device lane 1 as demonstrated. Next, connect the USB cable from the analyzer to your laptop. Power on the Prodigy UFS 4.0 protocol analyzer and click on Connect in the PGYMPHY UniPro protocol analysis software. A pop-up will indicate that the client is connected. Your setup is now ready to begin testing. Thank you for watching this video tutorial on Prodigy board-to-board interposer assembly. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to contact us.